Basis of classification of objects. The of various objects into can be done on the basis of their suches. Thus, the various objects can be classified or grouped as follows. विभिन्न वस्तुओं का ग्रुप्स में क्लासिफिकेशन उनकी सिमिलैरिटीज एंड डिसिमिलैरिटीज के आधार पर किया जा सकता है, जैसे लिविंग और नॉन लिविंग, प्लांट और एनिमल, नेचर ऑफ मटेरियल, यूज, कलर, शेप, साइज, अपीयरेंस, हार्डनेस, टेक्सचर, etc. All the objects can be classified into two main groups, living objects and non-living objects. Living objects can be classified further into two groups, plants and animals. Non-living objects can be classified into many groups on the basis of their nature of material, use, color, shape, size, appearance, hardness, texture, etc. Materials. कोई भी वस्तु जिसमें मास होता है and occupies space is called matter. The matter of which an object is made is called material. सभी वस्तुएं एक या अधिक ऑब्जेक्ट से बनी होती हैं. उदाहरण के लिए, table is an object which is made of wood, so wood is a material. Similarly, nails are made of iron, so iron is also a material. Some of the examples of materials are wood, glass, metals such as iron, aluminium, copper, silver, gold, steel, stainless steel, plastics, paper, rubber, leather, canvas, concrete, cotton. Properties of materials. The materials are classified on the basis of certain properties such as appearance या दिखावट, hardness or softness, कठोरता या कोमलता, solubility or insolubility in water, पानी में घुलनशीलता या अघुलनशीलता, heaviness or lightness with respect to water, पानी में भारीपन या हल्कापन, transparency or translucency. Appearance. On the basis of their appearance, all the materials are classified into two groups. Materials having luster or shiny appearance. Materials having no luster or dull appearance. Those materials which have shiny appearance are said to have luster. सोना, चांदी, तांबा, एल्यूमिनियम और लोहा आदि सभी धातुएं चमकदार दिखने या चमक वाले मटेरियल हैं. Some metals like iron, copper, and aluminium, etc., often lose their shine and appear dull due to the action of air and moisture on their surface. The examples of materials having luster or shine are metals such as gold, silver, copper, aluminium, and iron, metal alloys such as steel, stainless steel, brass, etc., and diamond. Those materials which have dull appearance are said to have no luster, no shine. The examples of materials having dull appearance without luster or shine are कागज, cardboard, लकड़ी, chalk, cotton, plastic, rubber. Hardness. All the materials can be divided into two groups on the basis of their hardness or softness. Hard materials and soft materials. वे materials जिन्हें आसानी से compressed, काटा, मोड़ा या खरोचा नहीं जा सकता, उन्हें hard materials कहा जाता है. हार्ड मटेरियल्स के कुछ उदाहरण हैं लोहा, स्टील, लकड़ी, पत्थर, ईंट, कांच, हड्डियां, दांत और हीरा. वे मटेरियल्स जिन्हें आसानी से दबाया, काटा, मोड़ा जा सकता है या खरोचा जा सकता है, उन्हें सॉफ्ट मटेरियल्स कहा जाता है. सॉफ्ट मटेरियल्स के कुछ उदाहरण हैं स्पंज, कॉटन, वुल, फोम, रबर, कैंडल वैक्स, मक्खन, चाक, मिट्टी, आटा, फेदर्स, स्किन और टमाटर. Solubility. Water dissolves a large number of materials but it cannot dissolve all the materials. Thus, some materials are soluble in water whereas other materials are insoluble in water. So, all the materials can be classified into two groups on the basis of their solubility. Materials which are soluble in water, and materials which are insoluble in water. Sugar is a material which is soluble in water. Some more materials which are soluble in water are common salt, washing soda, potassium permanganate, copper sulfate, alum, milk, lemon juice, glycerine and alcohol. Some more materials which are insoluble in water are chalk powder, sawdust, sulfur, glass, plastic, paper, flour, wax, mustard oil, groundnut oil, coconut oil, kerosene, and petrol. Heaviness or lightness. Some materials are heavier than water whereas other materials are lighter than water. In science, the heaviness or lightness of a material is indicated by the term Density. Substance which is heavier than water is said to have higher density than water, whereas a substance which is lighter than water is said to have lower density than water. All the materials can be classified into two groups on the basis of their density. Materials which are heavier than water, and materials which are lighter than water. Some of the materials which are heavier than water are iron, aluminium, copper, silver, gold, stone, glass, chalk, and soil. Some of the examples of materials which are lighter than water are wood, plastic, sawdust, dry leaves, ice, oil. Transparency or translucency. The property of a material due to which we can see through it clearly is called transparency. The property of a material due to which we cannot see through it clearly is called translucency. All the materials can be divided into three groups on the basis of transparency, translucency. Transparent materials, translucent materials. वे materials जिनके आर पार हम clearly देख सकते हैं, उन्हें transparent material कहते हैं. उदाहरण के लिए, हम कांच की खिड़की से स्पष्ट clearly सकते हैं, इसलिए कांच एक transparent material है. Transparent material लगभग सभी लाइट को अपने से होकर गुजरने देते हैं, जिसके कारण उनके पीछे की वस्तुओं को क्लियरली देखा जा सकता है. Some of the examples of transparent materials are glass, air, water, some plastics like polythene, groundnut oil, alcohol, etc. वे materials जिनके आर पार हम क्लियरली रूप से नहीं देख सकते, उन्हें translucent materials कहते हैं. उदाहरण के लिए, हम अपने बाथरूम की ग्राउंड ग्लास खिड़की से क्लियरली रूप से नहीं देख सकते, इसलिए ग्राउंड ग्लास एक translucent materials है. The translucent materials allow only a small amount of light to pass through them, due to which the objects behind them cannot be seen clearly. Some of the examples of translucent materials are ground glass, butter paper, tracing paper, oil paper, tissue paper, muddy water, and clouds.